Welcome to Women of Green. Hi, I'm Carolyn, and we're at the Bioneers conference in San Rafael, and I'm standing in front of a solar pump. You see these numbers? It kind of looks like a gas pump, but it's solar, and I'm on a bike that can hook up to it. And the inventor of this pump is right here with me, Beth Ferguson. Soul Design Lab is her company, and she is an environmental designer. Beth, tell us a little bit about what you created here.
Right, this is a solar pump, which is repurposing vintage gas pump from the 1950s and putting all of the batteries and inverters and charge controllers from the solar panels inside. I wanted to repurpose something and recycle something to hold the components to be able to make the solar accessible to the public with a standard 110 plug. So you can plug a cell phone, a laptop, an electric bike, or an electric vehicle into this outdoor charging station. It was a way for people to kind of see the coming of a changing of time from gas powered to electric mobility.
And so where are these? Are they on campuses, or are they in...
We've made 4 prototypes, and we've started at the University of Texas in Austin as a graduate thesis project. We set up a solar pump for a month at Texas State in San Marcos. We've gone to the South by Southwest Music Festival, Lollapalooza, Coachella, the Maker Faire in the Bay Area. We're here at the Bioneers, and we're working with new partners at colleges, and we're teaching a course at Hampshire College in Western Massachusetts for students to make their own charging station for the campus.
It is so cool to see a woman with all that technical knowledge, and the fact that you made this yellow really works. I have to say that. Very cool. And I'm on an electric bike, and I'm going to show you how it works a little bit. But I'm with Alusha, who's with a company that makes the electric bikes that hook up right into the solar pump. So what's the company name?
We're Blue Waters Adventures, located in Point Reyes, California.
So tell me a little bit about what I'm sitting on.
Yeah, well, this is pretty cool. This is an electric bicycle, and it's for recreation and for commuting. So they're pretty neat. They can go about, on one battery, they can go about 20 miles on full electric power. The idea is you're hopefully pedaling a little bit too to get some exercise.
Does the pedaling generate anything?
There are some bikes that can do that. This particular model does not.
Okay.
But just technology. We're getting further and further
right.
and closer and closer. So
right. It would be great if that can happen too.
Exactly.
You know, I was thinking about it. I love to bike, and I live on this really steep mountain, and I always get, it's so daunting, like, to get all the way up that mountain that I've kind of given up. But I'm thinking, wait a minute, if I had a little extra help on the way up, that would be, I could totally do this.
And it makes it fun.
And it makes it fun.
It makes exercise. And getting outside a lot of fun.
Very cool. So how would this hook up?
So we have a standard plug right here that we would plug the electric bikes. All have just regular 110 outlets.
Okay.
So you plug it into the plug here, and then you would see the power output would go up to about 100 watts. Electric bikes use more or less 100 watts to charge. So that would take between 30 minutes if you want to do an extra 10 miles, or it could be up to 3 hours for a full charge to do a full 20 to 30 miles. There's new electric bikes that will go up to 100 miles depending on their battery and motor capacity, and technology is just coming out with really great bikes on the market over the last few years, so pay attention of what's these new design magazines. There's a lot of fun bikes you can test ride. Go to different electric bike companies, and they will let you ride their bikes so you can have a first time spin at electric vehicles. But part of the importance of growing the electric vehicle economy is having charging stations for people to have that confidence to buy an electric bike and not just charge it at home, but also at their workplace, by a train stop, on their college campus, and start seeing solar energy and electric vehicles kind of really take over, and we can be out of gas at our local gas station in the future.
Yay! No matter where you live now, you can get on something, right, and charge up here. I'm going to show you how this goes. Twist it. Woohoo! Remember, we're all in this together.